Okay, so we're out here, San Marcos. We're gonna pick up this thing today. Car pickup. Check it out. It's an oldie but a goodie. But we're gonna get it out of here. I'm gonna have to chop it up into a couple pieces and haul it away. So if you have a car that needs to be picked up, don't know what to do, give us a call. 760-331-3289. The Hauler Junk Removal. There it is. Here's a grill for it. Check it out. 1955. Oh, it's a Rambler. Some type of Rambler. Okay. Alright guys, so yesterday we started on that car in the afternoon. We got half of it cut in half of it in the truck right now. It's right at the recycler. Show you what we did. Go dump that thing off. We gotta go pick up the other half this morning. What a mission. Check it out, check it out. See how much of the car at the recycler. We couldn't dump it last night because we got at the job at like 3. We got it cut up and put in the truck like at 4, and they closed at 4:30. There's no way we're gonna make it, so here's half the car in here. We're gonna pull it out right now. We need a bucket. There ain't no money. So we got half the car. We cut that thing in half. Got all the chrome, all the, I think it's aluminum, and a bunch of scrap. So it's kind of messy. So if you have your car, it needs to be picked up, give us a call. I think that's copper. We'll be there. You know the drill. Go to our website and book it online. All right, so stay tuned. Today's gonna be a busy day. All right, hang in there.